Order EA is a simple visual-oriented program that uses drag-drop scripts to control order processing. Take profit and stop-loss trend lines are controlled by the local computer, not the broker's computer. This allows features like one cancels other and automatic closing of the oldest trade without closing all open trades. Traditional MT4 orders. Order placement MT4 allows either instant execution or pending order. Stop loss and take profit can be entered with either type of order placement. Pending orders, stop loss, and take profit can then be manipulated with the graphical interface during the life of the order. For a pending order, the order is monitored by the broker's computer and is placed when the order price is hit. Stop loss can be entered in two different ways. One, a fixed stop, or two, a trailing stop. A trailing stop will almost always generate less income than almost any other method for closing an order. Fixed stops come in as a close second because they must be watched to follow the current market movements. A moving average or some other indicator can be followed manually to keep the order in play as long as possible. Having mathematical points along the trend line to mark places for the fixed stop loss often works out best. Unfortunately, this requires constant monitoring. Take profit. Any take profit entered will probably be wrong. It will be way short of the actual turning point or will be a bit beyond the bounce point, and the trade will turn back for a loss. There is no easy solution to this problem without constant monitoring of the price action. Trailing stops have been implemented to try and prevent a runaway loss. Unfortunately, pullbacks happen with almost every price movement, and a trailing stop will probably close the trade too soon. Advantage is this system relies on the broker's computer and is always up and running. Delay time is very small and prices are most often executed within a fraction of a pip. Disadvantage is the broker's computer can see your pending order, stop loss, and take profit values and possibly reach the value you have entered. This most often shows up when a stop loss is hit while the actual price is still far away. So many people have complained over the years that this is seldom a real problem. Even though the broker's computer processes each trade you have placed, the system requires constant monitoring to take into consideration the current roadmap, pullbacks, flags, fundamental announcements, and so on. Even things that are foreknown cannot be programmed but must be manually entered as they happen. Roman 2. Software control orders. There is no such thing as a fully automatic trading system for your home computer that can work as well as the human brain. Even those that work well for a short time will fail due to changes in market conditions. Almost all automatic systems enter at the wrong time and provide a very small profit along with a huge stop loss. Several systems are available to alert the user when a group of indicators align to produce a good entry point. Most of these systems rely on moving average crossovers. The simple 200 EMA is one example that sometimes works. Unfortunately, these systems are late in identifying the entry point and will totally miss the exit point. Therefore, this paper is to document a system of placing and maintaining orders generated from human reasoning and mathematical points generated by applying human logic to the current price action. While some indicators are helpful in counting waves such as zigzag MACD, software implementation of these methods often fail to generate the correct waves. Some indicators can display the current trend as either up or down, but none can correctly draw trend lines bracketing the movement. Thus, the human brain, guided by experience, training, rules, and proper charting software designed to produce easy-to-visualize trend flags, channels, and so on can identify entry points, waypoints, and targets for the successful generation of PIT's profit. These are trading strategies taught by Scott Barkley. If you have not had the proper training to plan a trade, including entry point, targets, and stop-loss movement, you have already read too far. Close this document and try something else. What follows is a description of the software package. Roman 3. Order processing software. This package consists of two parts, an expert advisor that monitors trades, and scripts that can be dragged and dropped onto the chart to control the EA. This program relies on visual order manipulation, not numbers typed into a box as with MetaTrader 4. Input parameters for order EA. Magic number default 1125, lot default 0.05. The size of each lot for order entry. Lot size is based on standard lots. Take profit pip default 60. This value may be changed for each currency pair. Stop loss pip default 60. This value may be changed for each currency pair. Enable TVS default true of value of true allows the first take profit line hit to be converted into a trailing stop line. Only one trailing stop is available at a time. When the current price is 10 pips back from the take profit line, a trailing stop is created 20 pips back from the current price. Each pip the price advances, the trailing stop is advanced 2 pips until within 4 pips of the current price. A value of false disables this feature and the take profit line reverts to a hard stop. Expert Advisor. Order EA. This program can run in the background for every currency pair you wish to trade. Each of the parameters can be customized for the currency pair associated with the EA. This EA is driven from the lines placed on the chart by the included scripts. When the current price touches a line, the requested action will be taken. Note that this process is slower than when a broker is keeping track of the order.